Hello, welcome to AI Factory. In the previous video, I shared some insights on DeepSeek. For more information about DeepSeek, visit my channel. Today, I'll demonstrate how to use DeepSeek for your Excel tasks. In our daily lives, we often encounter special activities for managing data. Some tasks are simple, while others can be challenging without using specific code. For instance, splitting a large datasheet based on column values can be a huge task. In the example shown on the screen, column A contains project names. Our goal is to split the Excel file into multiple files, each containing rows with the same project name. We'll use DeepSeek to generate the VBA code for this task. Don't know how to code? No worries. We'll simply tell DeepSeek what we need, copy and paste the generated code, and get the job done. Open DeepSeek and click Start Now. We need to enable the DeepThink R1 model. Here's how to describe what we need DeepSeek to do. Input the following text. In MS Excel, column A contains the project name. I need to split the Excel sheet into multiple sheets based on the values in column A. Each sheet should contain rows with the same project name. Save each sheet as a separate Excel file with the project name as the file name. Please generate the VBA code to achieve this. Click the paperclip icon to attach your Excel file to the chat. Submit the chat with the attached file to DeepSeek. It will analyze the request and provide the necessary steps. DeepSeek will generate the VBA code in a dark screen block. Simply copy the code to your clipboard. Back to the projects.xls file. Press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic application. It already includes the Sheet 1 Excel object in projects.xlsx. Press Menu, Insert Module. This action inserts Module 1. Paste the VBA code generated by DeepSeek into Module 1. Click the triangle button to run the code. A message box will pop up saying files have been created successfully. Go to the folder where the projects.xls file is saved. Refresh the folder to see 4 new XLSX files generated. cityrail.xlsx, downtownstreet.xlsx, highrise.xlsx, italiantown.xlsx. These are the 4 different project names from column A of the original Excel file. Open each new Excel file to verify that the data has been correctly transferred. Amazing, right? This tutorial demonstrates how DeepSeek can simplify your daily tasks. By simply telling DeepSeek what you need, it generates a solution, even if you're unfamiliar with the process. This can save you a lot of time for tasks you never imagined. I've attached the VBA code generated by DeepSeek for your reference, SubSplitSheetsByProject.vba.txt. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for my next tutorial. Thank you for watching.